Good morning, students. Once again, welcome in maths class. Today we will study about the symmetry in plane shapes. Okay. So in plane shapes also we have symmetry. You can see here is given triangle, quadrilateral. This is also quadrilateral and this is also quadrilateral. So in some quadrilateral in triangles we have one line of symmetry. At some place we have two line of symmetry. So you can see here there is given isosceles triangle in which we have two sides same. So in that we have one line of symmetry. Okay. Here you can see a quadrilateral. In this also we have one line of symmetry, that is vertical, and this is also vertical. In square there is given two line of symmetry. In square actually we have four line of symmetry. Here is showing only two line of symmetry, horizontally and vertically. Okay, and in this also we have this quadrilateral, we have two line of symmetry. Now there is equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle we have three line of symmetry. Okay, because in this we have all sides are same. So from here also we can divide this in two parts, and from here also we can divide in two equal parts, and this line is also dividing in two equal parts. So there is three line of symmetry. Now here is square. In square we have four line of symmetry. One is horizontally, one is vertically, and two diagonally. Okay, because square has diagonally also line of symmetry. Both sides are same. Both faces, this one also and this one also, by this diagonal. And when we divide by this diagonal, so this triangle and this triangle both are same. Okay. And in this quadrilateral we don't have any line of symmetry. If we are dividing like this, so this portion is big and this one will be small. And if we are taking horizontally, then also we can see that both are differ. So in this we don't have any line of symmetry. Okay, so now we will start our exercises. So exercise 12.2. Question 1 is there. Draw the line of symmetry for each of the following. Here you will draw the line of symmetry. So first of all there is given a part in rectangle. Okay, so we will draw here line of symmetry by horizontally also and vertically also. Okay, in rectangle we have two line of symmetry. One is horizontally, vertically, and one is horizontally. We should divide it into two equal parts and then we will make the line of symmetry. By measuring you can make. Okay, by the measurement you will see that where is the middle term. So by there you can measure. This is of 1.6. 1.6. Okay, we'll take here 1. Half of 1.6 is there is 8.8. Okay, so here is the line of symmetry. Actually there will come. Okay, and in this side also you can measure where how much length is this. This have 2.1. So that means we will take 1 point half. Okay, 1 point, just more than 1 point. So it is correct. And horizontally we will take from there. Middle point is just down of this. Okay. So we will take from the middle point. This is the middle point. So from there we will take line of symmetry. Okay. This is the line of symmetry. Now this one also will measure it from downside and then we will make its line of symmetry. So we can see that this is 2 centimeter, 8 to 10. Okay, this is of 2 centimeter. So we'll take on the 9. In the center we will take the dot and then we will make its line of symmetry. Like this we will make line of symmetry. So the same way you can do the C and D part also from here, and in D part also from the here we will make line of symmetry. And now question number 2. Complete the following symmetrical shapes. So here also you will complete the shape. Whatever given in this side, the same one you will make in this side also. Okay. So this question also you will complete yourself. There also you will make the same symmetrical. How you will make in this? This you can make the mistake. You will see that symmetrical shape when you are making. So whatever given in this side, the same one you will make in the second side. So some students are doing like that. So that will be wrong. Okay, we will make it symmetrical. So this is slanting here, so in this side also we'll take slanting. Okay, so in this side also it will come in the slanting like this. Same measurement, whatever is there, that measurement you will measure, and the same you will take in this side also, and then you will complete it like this. Okay, same one you will take. With the help of scale you will make the same. Whatever in front of this, we will make a line. Okay, so straight we can get till where we will take. Now there is how much? 2 centimeter less than 2. Okay, 1.8. So here also we'll take 1.8. There we will take 1.8 will come here. So we'll take here. Okay, like this. Now there also will take 1.8. This is how much we are having? 1.5. So we'll take here also 1.5. Same thing we'll take here, and then we'll make with this. So like this you'll make the second half. Okay, so the rest part also you'll complete with the help of scale. Complete this exercise in your book. Now tessellation. So what is tessellation? Design of tiles. Okay, that is known as tessellation. So what is tessellation? A tessellation is a collection of plain or simple figure that fills the plane to form a pattern without leaving any space or overlapping in between. Okay, when we adjust the tiles, we make the design of tiles and there is no space between them. ओके, एंड नो ओवरलैप मीन्स एक दूसरे के ऊपर भी नहीं हो और ना ही उनके बीच में कोई स्पेस हो. सो दैट एडजस्टिंग इज नोन एज टेसिलेशन. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी दैट देर इज tiles are set in a pattern. Okay, so this there also you can see, there is no gap between them. Okay, so this is known as tessellation because there is no space and they are not overlapping. ना तो एक दूसरे के ऊपर है और ना ही इनके बीच में कोई space empty है. So that is tessellation. Okay, now next is reflection. Reflection is same as the mirror image. Okay, in the second word we can say that mirror image. So what is a reflection? A reflection shows the image of a surface. Surface means object and shape, anything can be there, corresponding in the appearance, means like the mirror image. Reflection form a mirror throw back to or gives back the image shown. Okay, इमेज जो भी इमेज है उसका बैक मतलब उसका रिफ्लेक्शन शो करती है वो. ओके, टू रिफ्लेक्ट एन ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स टू प्रोड्यूस इट्स मिरर इमेज. ओके, रिफ्लेक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है, रिफ्लेक्शन का मतलब क्या होता है, इट्स प्रोड्यूस इट्स मिरर इमेज. रिफ्लेक्ट मतलब वैसे का वैसा वो दिखना उसको अपोजिट में. ओके, मिरर में जैसे दिखता है उसका अपोजिट सेम वी कैन सी. सो दैट इज रिफ्लेक्शन इज like the mirror image. Like you can see here R, so it's reflect in the mirror, it's opposite, so it's a reflection. This is mirror reflection and mirror image are same. Same how we have mirror image, so same way there is reflection, so it's a opposite. Okay, so here also you can see there is a shape and opposite of this given here. Reflection word, when we keeping mirror here, so it's a opposite will be there. Okay, so this is the reflection. ये इसका क्या हो रहा है, रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है, मतलब वैसा ही दिखना हमें बट अपोजिट बैक से. ओके, इट्स कम थ्रू द बैक, बैक से आता है. जैसे ये जो हमारे नियर है वो ही हमें नियर दिखेगा, जो फार है वो हमें फार दिखेगा, जो दूर है वो दूर रहेगा, जो नज़दीक है वो नज़दीक रहेगा. लाइक इन आर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी दैट दिस राउंड इज हेयर, सो राउंड इज क्लोजर एंड दिस लाइन इज फार, सो दिस इज फार, like the mirror image. Okay, so now in the same way our right shoes or our right gloves is in the opposite sense to its pair. ओके जैसे आपके पास ग्लव है, वन ग्लव को हम रखते हैं मिरर में, क्या होता है मिरर इमेज में कि हम वन ग्लव रखते हैं, वी कैन सी द सेकंड विद दैट. ओके इट्स बिकम इट्स ए पेयर. इफ वी आर कीपिंग वन शूज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर, so we get the second shoes same like that. Okay, so reflection is same as the mirror image. Clear? So now here is exercise 12.3. Question 1 is there. Draw a tessellation with pentagon or hexagon. So here you will make the design with pentagon or hexagon. Or is given here means you can make with pentagon, otherwise with hexagon. Okay. So how we will do? Question number 1, we can make with pentagon as your wish. You can make with pentagon also, and you can make with hexagon also. So firstly we are making with pentagons. Okay. Pentagons means five-sided figure. Okay, okay, a figure which have 5 sides, that is known as pentagon. So how we can make? We will take 5 sides style. So like this we can make. We will make here equal gap. Okay, equal, by the equal gap we can make here pentagons. So on the 1 centimeter we can take the dots. Okay, we will make here line, and on 1 centimeter we can take the dots. 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 till 7 we can take. This is sufficient. Okay, now here we will make the straight lines. We will make the pentagon figure. So okay, like this we will make the pentagons. Now here we should there is 1 2 3 sides in each. Okay, so we will make one more. So from here we will take the middle point of these dots, we will take, and then we can make the points of these tiles. Okay, like this in the middle we will take the dots, and now we will make their point. So it's a fourth side, and now it's a fifth side. Like this we will make with the help of scale. Okay, we should match these all same like that. All we should match. With the help of scale you will match these all like this. You should match these all. Now one more we will make here pattern. Okay, we should increase it. So how we will increase? Here also we can make pentagon shape. Into 2 lines we will take there. Okay, then again here we have to complete. Okay, this also we can increase here, and this one also we will take here. Now for that again we will make here pentagon. So firstly we will finish it line. Okay, upside is also pentagon, and downside is also pentagon. They are fixed in each other. Tessellation we are making here. So this pentagon fixed in this one. Okay, this firstly we take upside, and then there is also pentagon 1 2 3 4 5 sides. Okay, so like this we have fitted. Now more we can increase it. So same again we will make here. Okay, same again we can make here. So it will be continue here. The same thing is there. So this is the pattern of pentagon. You can, as you want, you can increase it. जितना आप चाहते हैं उतना हम इसको और आगे increase कर सकते हैं. Clear? So like this you will make. Then again we should make here. This is the pentagon tiles design. By hexagon also you can make the make your own. Okay, hexagon से भी आप खुद बना सकते हो इसमें. So like this you will complete your pattern. So this is sufficient. By hexagon, this is hexagon also. For the hexagon, how you will make? You will make like this. If you want to make with hexagon, so like this you can make. This is hexagonal shape. Okay, so you can make like this. Okay, with the help of scale you will make, no, not with free hand. I'm not using again and again scale because you can't see it clearly, so that's why. Okay, I'm making with free hand, but you should make with the help of scale. So this is hexagon. Then again you will fit the second hexagon here, so you will complete it like this. Okay, now again we can complete it like this. So like this you will fit in each other. So like this hexagonal pattern also you can make like this. Now here also, so you should make with the help of scale. So like this you can make the hexagonal shape, and this is with the pentagonal. As your wish you can make. Okay, but you will make neat and clean and with the help of scale. Then now second question is there. Right? Now question second. Write the letters D, P, M, Y and Z and read their image through a mirror. आपको इनकी जो इमेज है वो आपको मिरर के थ्रू रीड करनी. दैट मीन्स यू शुड शो देयर मिरर इमेज. सो व्हाट डज ईच लेटर लुक लाइक? सो हाउ द ईच लेटर लुक like? That means you have to show their mirror image. Okay, so which letters are given here? D, P, M, Y, Z. So write here question number second. Firstly here is given D, so we'll make big, not so small, so we should make it big, D. Now its mirror image we have to show here, so you can make the mirror image. So that's opposite D, this curved line. Firstly we will make the C and then this line. Okay, opposite of this we will show here. Then P, how we will make P mirror image? Firstly we draw here P. Now we should show it's a mirror image. Here it's a mirror image, so this is P. Now M, firstly make here M, and then we should show it's a mirror image. So firstly this line will become here, this, then this one, then this, and now it's become same. Okay, now after that Y, here we have Y, like this we have Y, so we should make its mirror image, so it's also same, like this we have, and then this line. Okay, then after that Z. So what will be the mirror image of Z? It's opposite. Okay, this line will come first, so it will be look like this. So this is the mirror image of Z. Okay, so like this you will make. Okay, so your exercise 12.3 is complete like that.